Good day everyone, you are welcome to this video tutorial. I am Muhammad. In this video section, we'll be designing a cover photo as you can see on my Pixellab interface. So it's a very simple design, just that you need to follow the process and the procedures. So the first thing is to make sure that our size, the image size, is as the same as a cover photo design. So check your size. The size is 75 width and 45 height. So just go straight to the fourth button here, press on image size and press on 750 over 420. So mark it. It has given you the size I used in this design. So the next thing now is to bring in a shape, that is a circle. Go to your plus button up there and bring in a shape. Change it to circle. Then increase the size to whatsoever that will comfort you, that you think will fit in well in this design. So let me just make sure that the image size is well placed, is well for this design. Yeah, I think this is okay. This is okay. This is okay. Yes, actually this is good. So yeah, right here I'll need to change the background of that, the color of that shape, because the image I want to use is image that doesn't have background. So then the next thing is go to your texture and import your image. Not this. Go to your texture again and then go to your gallery and use the image you want to use. So once it's in, make sure you press on 1:1 for the image that is not a 1:1 image. Then you can actually put it up like that. So the next thing now in this design is I want to give a stroke. And I also want to increase its stroke a bit. So the stroke, I think I gave a stroke of 5, width of 5. Let me increase it a bit more. 8. I think 8 is okay. Yeah, 8 is okay. So I want to change the color of the stroke. I want to change it to this. This is the color I want to use in my design. So yeah, the next thing is let me centralize it. Go to your relative position if you want to centralize and press on this. It will centralize to the video. The next thing is bring in a shape. Yeah. So go to your shape again and bring in a shape of this sort, something like this. So once you've done that, you mark it and change the color to the color I used earlier. So I also go to stroke again and give your shape a stroke of 8 also. 8 also, or I think 9 is good. Let me actually give it 10. So once you've done that, then take this to the back. Then centralize also. Remember to always centralize. So once you've done that, the next thing now is to bring in a small circle behind that image. That's my image. So just press on the circle and increase its size a bit and make sure it's a very small one, so that it's not bigger than the image, and take it to the back and centralize it to the center. Make it centralized well to center and move it back a bit. Oh, sorry, let me re-edit it. I want it to be as big as that image also, but not bigger than it. Remember, not bigger than it. So that's okay. You see how well it is placed now. First, you centralize to the center, and next you can move it right here. So yeah, we've done that. Yeah, the next thing now is the about me, my name and what I do and everything else. So that's very simple. But before that, this thing I want to make sure it is well aligned. So that's very simple to do. Let me centralize it. So yeah, the first is Muhammad. Just go to your plus button, press on text, edit it, tap it to edit, and put in 2 shapes before you begin. That is 2 space before you begin writing your name. The reason for that is that we want to use a font that, you see the font I use in Barack Muhammad. You see all those designing things you need. If you don't give it a space before that, it will cut off your text. To cut off your whole text. Then go to your font and use calligraphy. I think I use calligraphy. Yes, calligraphy. If I'm sure about that. No, it's not calligraphy. Yeah, it's Alex Brush Regular. Alex Brush Regular. So Alex Brush Regular. Let me shift it down. Then you increase its size. I think 50 is okay. So increase its size and position it very well. So having done that, the next thing is about me. Just go to your plus button down here, edit it, and put about me. Reduce its size. Go to your size and reduce its size very well. Reduce its size very well. I was thinking of 20. Then the next thing is you need to do is go to your text editor and search on background. Enable the background and make sure the background is this color. I mean another color. So make sure the background is that color and go to your readers down here. Give it 100. Go to your left and right padding. Give it 5.5. Go to your left and right padding. Give it 5.5. No, I'm putting top. I'm putting top and left and right 5.5. Then that bottom padding, just give it 2. That's okay for it. You see, that's it. Then you can actually move it very well, so it can stay well on your design. Yeah, the next thing is go to your text again, edit it, and put in your details. That's what you do. Author, poet, digital network marketer, business consultant, graphic designer, video editor. I forgot to do. Author, poet, digital network marketer, business consultant, graphic designer, video editor, website designer. Did I get it? Yeah, I think I get it. So yeah, the next thing is all the thing. Just go give it a space before that. Then search on this thing, put it in there. A space, put it there. A space, then that. A space, then the stroke. Yeah, we're done with that. Having done that, then you need to reduce your size of the text. So yeah, the next thing you need to do in this design is go to your text editor again and search on align, then align to the center. You see how I did that? Align to the center always. Please align to the center always. Then the next thing you need to do is search on line spacing, as in spacing, not line spacing. Go to spacing and leave it on letters, then increase it a bit. Leave it, later give it 5 and give it word also. And give the word maybe 10. That's okay. And also go to your line spacing again and give it actually like 3 is okay. 3 is okay. Then lastly on this, then before you close off the text thing, go to your plus button again and write your brand name as I wrote the pen creativity down there. You see that little thing there. So I reduce the size. I think I use 15 here. So 15 is what I used. Then you go to your relative position, press on this and press on these two. It will take it to the point there. So I think we've done that. The next thing is you want to change the background of this design. Just go to this fourth thing, go to your color and change from gradient to color and put in the color. You see, very simple. In the last, I started like this is 10 minutes now, 10 minutes. So in the next 10 minutes you should be able to replicate this, put in your image and put in your text. So in the next 10 minutes you should be able to do that. So it's very simple. Let me just hide this and save my design. So before that, the first thing is save as project always, so that you can re-edit it. That's cover photo design. Then the next thing is save as image, and always remember to put it as ultra. Always put it as ultra always. So once you've done that, it will save on your gallery. So see you in the next video.